In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a team member to Stripe. To get started, log into your Stripe dashboard. Make sure you're signing into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one business or project in Stripe. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to confirm that you're on the main account where you want this new team member to have access. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon, which looks like a gear. This is where Stripe keeps your account configuration, user management, and security options. If you're new to the dashboard layout, don't worry. This is the standard place to manage account-level settings. From the Settings area, select Team and Security. This section is specifically designed for managing who can access your Stripe account and what they're allowed to do. It's important to use this area instead of sharing your own login, because giving each person their own access is more secure and makes it easier to control permissions later. Once you're there, stay on the Team tab. This tab shows the people who currently have access to the account, along with their roles. It's also where you can invite new users and review existing ones. Now click Add Member. This opens the invitation form where you can enter the details for the person you want to add. In the email field, type the new team member's email address carefully. Double-check it before moving on, since the invitation will be sent there and a typo can delay the process. After that, choose the appropriate role and permissions for the team member. This part matters because it determines what they'll be able to see and do inside Stripe. Try to match their access level to their actual job responsibilities. For example, some users may only need to view reports, while others may need broader operational access. Before sending the invitation, review the access settings one more time to make sure everything matches the person's responsibilities. Taking a few extra seconds here can help prevent confusion or unnecessary access later on. When everything looks correct, click Send Invitation. Stripe will email the invitation to the new team member, and they'll need to accept it from their inbox to complete the process. If they don't see it right away, they may need to check their spam or promotions folder. Once they accept, they'll be added to your Stripe account with the permissions you selected. Thanks for watching.